Ever notice you remember the first and last items on a list, but forget everything in between? Today, we decode the serial position effect to understand how your brain prioritizes information. The serial position effect is a psychological phenomenon showing that people recall the first and last items better than those in the middle. This pattern occurs because our memory system processes information differently based on timing. First comes the primacy effect. Items presented at the start get rehearsed and transferred into long-term memory, especially when lists are shorter or presented slowly to allow for permanent storage. Next is the recency effect. The most recency effect. The most recent items stay in working memory and are still accessible when you are asked to recall them, even if the list is as long as 40 words. According to the multi-store model, we use two separate systems, long-term memory for the primary information and short-term memory for the recent items, creating a distinct gap in the middle. This knowledge helps with conversion optimization. For landing pages, you must start strong with a clear value proposition and end strong by repeating your call to action at the bottom. Ultimately, human memory functions like a curve where we learn the first few and last few items best, revealing how our short-term and long-term systems work together to retain specific data points. So there you have it. The serial position effect proves our memory relies on timing and storage types. Did this change how you study or design pages? Let us know in the comments.